there is a great talk about it that the RCs of XAT are way tougher than CAT. Also, the vocabulary being used is something which is not the normal level English we use in generally. So, what do you want to say about that? So, any insights also for the students?
Okay. So, I guess this is the biggest myth which actually is circulating in the market. I actually don't agree to it because I'm watching this XAT exam for many years now, and I know that the kind of passages we give and the kind of poems we bring into a paper, they definitely look unusual, but obviously they are not our stuff. They are the write-ups, they are the articles, the poems by people who are actually one of us. So what I'm trying to convey here is that this is the message that XAT's verbal section is difficult. I would say it's not difficult. It's like any other intelligent exam. But yes, sometimes definitely there would be some terms, some words which would not be familiar. But that doesn't mean that you cannot actually solve that particular passage. What you need to understand is that we never ask, for instance, vocabulary-based questions. We never ask meanings of the words from passages. We don't have that policy. If you can understand the underlying theme, and if you can interpret the passage rightly, you can actually arrive at the answers we are expecting from it. So, calling it difficult will not be a justice to our exam, but definitely it's a smart exam, and if you can think critically, analytically, you can solve the questions.
Mostly the questions are inference based is what you
Correct.
Thank you.
Thank you.